Very good morning. Well, I am Rajneesh. Today, I am here with a new topic for the COI Constitution of the India, the federal structure. The federal structure, basically, this federal structure is a very important term. And the finest federal structure on the earth, you will find that is in the United States of the America. There the federal government is on. But here we are studying in the reference of the India. Here, before going the federal structure, we must know the historical background of the federal structure. We must know the historical background of the federal structure. Because when our country was the passing through the independence movement, and after independence, where the Britishers gave some silver lining that the India will be given the freedom, the India will be in the days to come and the independent state. There, Mr. The Vallabhbhai Patel, a visionary leader, and the unified the federation, he worked out very severely in the throughout the India. He was assigned for a unification of the federation. Here, the three great problems had the India. One is the Junagadh, that was well set in the Rajasthan. Second, Nizam of the Hyderabad. And third one was the Jammu and the Kashmir. Junagadh was not very much interested to remain with the India. Same with the Nizam of the Hyderabad had a very great inclination towards adding with the Pakistan, and the Jammu and the Kashmir just wanted to be an independent country. This was the problem. Even the Vallabhbhai Patel tried very much. He annexed Junagadh and Nizam of the Hyderabad in the Indian Federation. And finally, the Junagadh and the Nizam of the Hyderabad came into the India and joined in the India. But the status of the Jammu and the Kashmir, the 370 and the 35A has been awarded to the Jammu and the Kashmir to improve the political mileage. Then that was not with the national interest. Here, the Jammu Kashmir having the great privilege with the 370 and the 35A, the Jammu Kashmir had its own flag, own national anthem, and the special privilege. One privilege I am discussing here with the Jammu and the Kashmir. The citizen of the Jammu Kashmir have this sort of the domicile that they can get job in the Jammu and the Kashmir as well as in the any Indian territory. But other Indian territory cannot have had the choice to make a marry in the Jammu Kashmir, and they can reside in the Jammu and the Kashmir. And this was a very unfair and the unjust. The recent government has taken a great job to abolish the 370 and the 35A. Now the political scenario and the democratic structure scenario has been changed there. Here, the one of the most important thing here, I am coming on the federal structure, the Article 1, the Article first of the government of the India very clear cut says India is a union state. Basically, India is a union state. Who says? The Article first says of the Constitution of India. Here, we have defined here, the federal structure is simply a system of a government. Means, the federalism is simply a style, a political doctrine, a political style of the government in which the power of the state, here the meaning of the state is a country. Here the power of the state are divided in between the central administration and the regional state governments. Here the central administration means the central government and the regional state means Bihar, like the UP, like the Bengal, like the Tamil Nadu, like the Kerala. Again, I am recapping. The federal structure is simply a system of a government in which the power of the state, here the meaning of the state is a country as the divided, the central administration and the regional state governments. In the generally, in this chapter, we won't be confused the union having the same meaning with the central and the federal. Means the federal, central and union is basically a synonymous, more and less this is a synonymous, this is not having the different meaning. But the state government and the union territory, the state government like the Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Gujarat, like other states. But the union territory, here the meaning of the union territory, it has been given a special power like the Andaman Nicobar, Goa, Delhi, Chandigarh, etc. Means the federal government is nothing, it is simply is equal to the union government plus state government plus union territory. Yeah, you can say in this way, the body of the federalism has been constructed by the union government or state government, union government or central government or a federal government added with the state government and the union territory. Is it clear? Now, we must know the key feature of the federal structure. Because when we are discussing, we must know the feature and the characteristic of the federalism. Means that there are two and the more level of the government. Take the example of the India. India having practically three tier of the government is operating. One is the central government. Second one is the state government. And then after come the local governments in which the Gram Panchayat and the town local government like the town government, rural and the town government both are included. Number two key factor, each level of the government has its jurisdiction. Here you must understand what is the meaning of the jurisdiction. Jurisdiction is nothing, it is simply a legitimative defined area. The IAS or a collector of the Motihari cannot exercise his power in the Bettiah. The collector of the Meerut cannot exercise his or her power in the New Delhi. So the word jurisdiction is directly related to the legitimate power and that it concerned with a certain area. Each level of the government has its jurisdiction in the constitution. Constitutionally, the jurisdiction has been divided and each government head is the jurisdiction. Means the power of the local government cannot be applied in the town and the power of the state government cannot be applied by the union government and the power of the union government cannot be applied by the state government. Each and everything is the well defined with the legitimate power towards certain area. In the case of the conflict between the central and the state government, it happens in the democracy, especially in the coalition government. In the case of the conflict between the central and the state government, the judiciary is the fully responsible for solve. When there is any type of the dissatisfaction and the conflict in between the central government and the state government, the judiciary having the final answer, judiciary will teach them the executive and the legislative solution. And finally, the judiciary is the final custodian of our constitution and he will take care to avoid the conflict by the possible soonest. And finally, each level of the govern the state citizens. Suppose I am an Indian, I am here and here we are encircled with suppose the severe flood. In the severe flood, the state government is giving the 5,000 rupees who having the land had been submerged and there is no agriculture production. The government would add the 5,000 rupees of each land. So I received the 5,000 rupees as a state advantage, as a state beneficiary, and I am, because I am an unemployed and the disabled, suppose I am also getting some the central disabled scheme, the 2000 rupees per month, means I am a same citizen but treated differently. The state government is giving the 5000 rupees to me because my harvesting and my total agriculture production has been damaged by the flood, whereas because I am the disabled and the unemployed and the old age person, so I am getting the 2000 rupees from the central government. Here, the each level of a government govern the same citizen, but it has the separate financial authority of the jurisdiction. Means I am getting in this government the 5000 rupees as a victim of the flood from the state government. Means the arrangement and the fund of the state government is a fund of a state government. And if I am getting the disabled and for the employment beneficiaries from a central government, it may be a fund of the welfare scheme of the government of the India. I am a same person, but I am getting the fund from the central side and the state side with the separate financial machine. Here I am the closing up here. The topic again, the federal structure. We must first go the historical background of the federal structure. I discussed with the Junagadh, Nizam of the Hyderabad and the Jammu and the Kashmir. Finally, Junagadh and the Nizam of the Hyderabad was included by the great efforts of the Vallabhbhai Patel and unified in the Indian Federation, whereas the Jammu and the Kashmir has been given the special status by offering the 370 and the 35A, because the Jammu Kashmir had its own flag, had its own national anthem, and has the special privilege. Like the people of the Jammu Kashmir can have the job and they can make a marriage in the India anywhere, but the other state person cannot purchase the land and cannot marry and cannot have a job in the Jammu Kashmir. This was the completely unjust, unfair and the undemocratic. So it has been recently taken on the rectification, because during the independence movement, the Junagadh, Nizam of the Hyderabad and Jammu Kashmir had only three choices: either independent, because the Junagadh was very, and the Nizam of the Hyderabad has a great affinity towards the Pakistan. Jammu and the Kashmir was looking for independent, and third one, the Indian Federation. It was a completely the visionary action and efforts taken by the Vallabhbhai Patel. He simply annexed the Junagadh and the Nizam of the Hyderabad in the Indian Federation. Article 1, as we know, it has been tested and well written, well described in our constitution. Article 1, India is a union state. Simple. The federal structure is simply a system of a government in which the power of the state. Here the meaning of the state is the country are divided between the central administration and the regional state. Here we never be confused with the union and the central and the federal, because these three words, union, central and the federal, they are the more and the less very much synonymous in the sense of, especially in this chapter. But the state government and the union territory, we can describe also here the federal structure. The federalism is nothing, it is simply a addition of the union or central or a federal government plus a state government and the union territory, like the Andaman Nicobar, Goa, Delhi and the Chandigarh etc. Here we are discussing about the key feature of the federal government. There are two types of the level of the government: union government, state government and the local government. India is really passing and the operating three type of the layer of the government: central government, you can say union government, as you can say even the federal government, the state government and the local governments like the rural government and the town government. Each level of the government has its own jurisdiction in the constitution. Constitutionally, we have provided a very certain jurisdiction, and the word the jurisdiction I taught you earlier that it is directly concerned with the legitimate power in a certain area. The IAS of the Motihari cannot exercise his power in the Patna. The IAS of the Patna cannot exercise his power for the Meerut. In the same manner, in the case of any conflict between the states, and the central government, the judiciary has be involved and he has to interpret, and judiciary is the fully responsible for to solve the conflict, because as we know the judiciary is the final custodian of our constitution, and finally each level of the government the same citizen but has the separate financial authority of the jurisdiction. Suppose I am a disabled person, I am getting the 2000 rupees per month from the central front, Pradhan Mantri Viklang Yojana. But I am the agriculture, but due to the some natural calamity, my total production, agriculture production has been the ruined and the spoiled and the damaged by the flood. So from the state side, I am also getting the 5,000 rupees. So being a singular person, I can have been the assisted and the assist by the central government as well as the state government. So this is a very important chapter we must take care of. Thank you very much. In the meantime, I am taking a goodbye from you. Thank you very much.